Okay, so we're turning the machine on for the first time, and it actually leaks. It's a leaky machine, so what? So we're just turning it on for the very first time. We'll have to take video of this, but every morning when we turn it on, it leaks about a half a cup of water. So we're turning it on now. Oh, I guess it's going to take a while because it has to warm up, so I won't stay in here the whole time. But yeah, it's kind of problematic. We need to get this fixed. So we just want to take video footage of this. Actually, I don't know how long it takes to heat up, but it leaks water, which is less than ideal. Let's see how long it takes actually. Hold on.
Hallelujah!
So it leaks when the water gets hot, basically. It's actually, if you look closely now, it's starting to drip. And it's going to drip until this cup is almost full. So I'm sure that's not supposed to be the case. It shouldn't be dripping like this. And then once it's done, it continues dripping. Once I make the shot, it continues dripping. If you look closely, drip, drip, drip. It's quite a bit of water coming out. And it's actually dripping a little faster now. We need to get this issue addressed. Drip, 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 drip. As you can see, the light has not changed to green. There's a big port out there for us to start actually making the shot. But yeah, it's a leaky machine. I just want to, oh, see, quite a bit poured out there. Just want to keep it recording until the OK light comes on. So that's pretty much what you get. Each time you use a fair amount of water, it just leaks out. Still dripping. Drip, 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 drip. This is good too because then we get a timestamp on how long it takes to actually get ready. So there we go. So it's at 3 minutes and 50 seconds. And the green light comes on. So now we can make a shot. But as you see, it's still leaking. And it'll leak throughout the coffee making process. Drip, drip. Okay, so we'll make a video.